Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Ever wondered of all the social media platforms available currently which one is the best for you to make money? Let's explore this together in this video. The best social media platform for making money can vary depending on various factors such as your target audience, the type of content you create, and your specific goals. Here are a few popular social media platforms known for their money-making potential. YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing platform where creators can monetize their content through advertising revenue, brand partnerships, and sponsored content. It has a massive user base and offers various ways to earn money, including the YouTube Partner Program, merchandise sales, and channel memberships. Instagram. Instagram is a visually oriented platform that allows users to share photos and videos. It is popular among influencers and content creators who can earn money through sponsored posts, brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, and promoting their own products or services. TikTok. TikTok is a short-form video platform that has gained immense popularity. It offers a wide reach and engagement opportunities, making it attractive for influencers and content creators. Users can monetize their TikTok presence through brand partnerships, sponsored content, and live streaming. Patreon. While not a traditional social media platform, Patreon allows creators to build a subscription-based membership business. Creators offer exclusive content or perks to their patrons in exchange for monthly support. It works well for artists, writers, podcasters, and other creators with a dedicated fan base. Twitch. Twitch is primarily a live streaming platform for gamers, but it has expanded to include other content categories like art, music, and talk shows. Streamers can earn money through subscriptions, donations from viewers, sponsorships, and advertisements. Ultimately, the best social media platform for making money depends on your niche, content type, and audience engagement. It's important to research and analyze your target market, platform demographics, and monetization options to determine which platform aligns best with your goals and offers the most potential for financial success. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.